let's have a look how the professional people take the side skirts off. Number 1 wasn't undone. Number 2 wasn't undone. Number 3 was half broken. Number 4 was 3/4 broken. Number 5 is whatever. So now we've got to remove them first before we proceed. Bloody lovely, isn't it? One out. Oh, number 2. That one's no good. That one's no good. And half of this one's good. That one's cactus. Okay, now how these side skirts are fitted is these 3 clips here. The side skirt slides that way and locks in. Through here it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plastic, whatever they're called, plastic screws, clips, whatever. On the bottom it has I think about 6 screws that go up from underneath, and I'll point them out as well. It also has a couple of screws from either end there and from the front, from inside the guard, which will be here, right in there. Bit hard to see, but it's definitely there. And that's it. So here they are here. See? All those screws right there. And that's the inner. And here is the ones that slide over the side of the back of it. So let's fit him on. On the bottom of these side skirts, these screws go there. Now these screws have this like a plastic sleeve, if you will, and that sort of holds the skirt in place so it doesn't rub on the screw, I suppose, and get damaged. That just fits nicely in the slot. And that's for the full length of the spoiler. It's going to be a bit hard to fill, but I will try my best. You can just see it there is missing, so see that in the mirror. right there. That's what we're supposed to be seeing. But we are not. No, that's what it was missing. And now I need to get that under the side skirt. Hopefully, there, without removing the side skirt. God damn it. Don't even know if that can be done. I think we got it. There we go. One down, 5 more to go. Two, 3. Five. 1 to go. That's number 6. Now, these cars come with mud flaps, and this particular car, I don't think it did, but the car that the side skirts were on did. But I don't have replacement mud flaps, so this one's going to go without for now. Alright, so let's put a couple of screws there. Right here, done. Now we're going to fit that little end piece. That lives right there. He only slides onto the side skirt and has the 2 screws from the back. Something like this, I believe. Is that it? Done. On this side we have similar issues where only one of the clips has been removed, so that's got to be first. Oh, pardon me. 2 are removed. We need to get 3 out, so let's do that. cables. Done. Something a little bit interesting. These panels are actually reversible. This one will fit here, but it'll fit on the other side too. Okay, that's his mate. They both fit perfectly. So, a little bit of trivia there. But I don't have the old screws, so I had to go and acquire some. I'm just hoping that their coating is not going to corrode, but that remains to be seen. So I'll update you if it does. Just to prove a point that these screws are as close as possible to what was there, I'm going to take one from the front panel and compare. Very, very close. Done. I think this will be all for part 8. So if you made it so far, well, thank you very much. We're getting close now. Hopefully we'll have a computer next week, and hopefully that fixes our running problems, and we'll do the interior then. Thanks for watching How to Pete and our resurrection of our Aussie icon. Bye for now.